Hi there, this is Avalon from Crafts Direct, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make this greenery peace sign. If you are looking for something kind of unique and different to add to your door, I definitely suggest making this project. It's really summery and a whole lot of fun. Follow along and I will show you step by step how you can make this greenery peace sign. To begin, you will make the actual peace sign. You'll grab 2 dowels to make the long part, and then one more dowel that you will break in half to create the 2 arms to complete the peace sign. Hot glue the 2 dowels together, and you just need them to overlap. They don't need to be completely lined up. You will then glue them to the wreath form right in the center. Grab the dowel that you broke in half, and you will take both pieces and hot glue them on next. One end will be on the large 2 dowels that you just glued on, and then the other end will be on the wreath form, and they will be at an angle to complete the look of the peace sign. Take some floral wire and wrap it around the dowel and the wreath form just to help secure it even more. Do this on all of the dowels that are attached to the wreath form. Next, you will start adding your greenery to the wreath form. You will cut off a piece of greenery from the garland just so that it's easier to work with. You will take floral wire and attach the greenery to the floral hoop, and you will continue to do this, cutting off small pieces of greenery from the garland and adding it to the wreath form. Cut off each individual stem that is part of the wildflower bush. Next, you are going to take those flowers and place them in the wreath form. You're going to tuck the stem into the wreath form, and you're going to make your way around the whole circle, covering it with flowers. Wherever you may see a hole or a gap, you want to make sure to cover with those flowers. Next, you will take floral wire to make adjustments to the greenery and the flowers. If there's any holes or any parts where the wreath form is kind of poking through, you'll want to cover it with that greenery and then hold it in place with the wire. I also wanted to create more of a solid form so that you can really see the circle, and so the outside pieces of greenery that are kind of hanging out, I tried to also secure closer to the wreath form. Next, you are going to work on the middle of the peace sign, and you're going to want to cover the wooden dowels with the floral stems. You'll do one at a time, place it where you want it, and then attach with hot glue and wire. Once your peace sign is completely covered in flowers and greenery, you can go back and make any adjustments you need using the floral wire or even hot glue if you need. I wanted the middle of the peace sign to stick out more. So I went back and I tried to pull in more of that greenery so that you can distinguish the large circle from the inside of the peace sign. Once the peace sign is looking as you like and you don't see any holes, the wreath form isn't popping out any places, then your peace sign is ready to be hung up and displayed. Thank you so much for watching this video. You can shop all the supplies needed to make this project at craftsdirect.com/projects.